BabyTales. Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to add a splash of color to your day by drawing and coloring a majestic flamingo. Get ready to bring the beauty of these graceful birds to life on your canvas. Let's begin by sketching the outline of our flamingo. Picture its long, slender neck, elegant body, and distinctive beak. Use light strokes to capture the graceful curves and proportions, ensuring that your flamingo stands tall and proud. Time to add some vibrant colors to our flamingo. Choose hues that reflect the stunning shades of pink and coral that adorn these magnificent birds. Start with a light base layer, and gradually build up the colors, adding depth and dimension to your artwork. Once you're happy with the colors, add any final touches to your flamingo. Perhaps enhance the contrast with some darker shades, add highlights to make the feathers glisten, or add a subtle background to set the scene. And there you have it, a stunning flamingo ready to grace your canvas with its beauty. We've transformed a blank page into a vibrant celebration of nature's wonders. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity always soar as high as a flamingo in flight.